Inspire unlimited creativity by stacking and laying Cre8 bricks. Our love for our homeland is why we are committed to reviving Taiwan's red brick culture and have inherited brick-making experiences and technologies passed on over 5 generations. Clay from Bagua Mountain. From a mountain to a single grain of sand. From a red brick to a piece of Cre8 brick. Cre8 brick, a new brand launched by the 5th generation of the kiln. Integrate the Cre8 brick into life and entertainment through education and parent-child interactions. Create imagination without boundaries. Develop your children's logical thinking through fun. We developed the number 8 environmentally friendly mortar as a replacement for traditional cement. Just add water and stir the number 8 mortar to start laying Cre8 bricks. Create a castle in your children's imagination. The Little Rainbow Trowel is designed for the little hands of children. The patented 3-stage wave grooves design helps the trowel to lean against the balls of different sizes without easily falling to the ground. The number 8 EFM can be disassembled after soaking in water for 1 hour. The Cre8 bricks can be reused once washed and dried. Residual sand and water from cleaning the Cre8 bricks can be returned to the surroundings without damaging the environment. We believe in the ideal of from the earth, back to the earth, environmental friendliness. Cre8 brick is here with you to help fulfill your children's imagination.